Hello Wadiz supporters, I'm Christophe, the CEO of Garzini. I was very happy to see the big order of Garzini Vintage Magic Wallets from Wadiz supporters, and we have made a great effort to send this order to South Korea as quickly as possible. We have put top priority on this order from Korea and did our best to shorten our production lead time. We finished already the leather material cutting and trimming for the 2000 pieces, and we are now in the final stage of assembly. However, it was so unfortunate that the government ordered the factory to be closed to prevent potential spreading of the coronavirus across Belgium. This will unfortunately cause a delay in the delivery. Without the global corona issue in Belgium, the order should have been shipped to South Korea as scheduled between April 20th and 25th. We are very sorry for this delay of the delivery due to the coronavirus, but we will do our best to finish the production ASAP to ship this order to South Korea at earliest possible. We will keep you updated about the production situation. We would like to thank you for your understanding and patience about this delivery delay due to the coronavirus problem in Belgium. We hope to inform you of good news about the delivery soon. Thank you for your support.